let's talk about strategies for mentally dividing two numbers. My first strategy involves taking a division problem and thinking about it as a fraction and then simplifying the fraction. So I know that a divided by b is going to be the same as a over b, so I just need to simplify that fraction. For example, 360 divided by 40 is the same as 360 over 40. I know I can cancel the zeros. 36 over 4 is just 9. So I took 360 divided by 40. I thought of it as 360 over 40. I canceled the zeros. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Another way to think about this is to, instead of thinking about canceling zeros, we can think about dividing. So divide the numerator and denominator by 10. I get 36 over 4. Divide the numerator and denominator by 4, and I get 9. Our next strategy is decomposing the dividend. The dividend is the first number when we write out multiplication into multiples of the divisor. The divisor is the second number. So I want to take the first number, the dividend, break it into parts that are divisible by 7 in this case. When I look at 217 divided by 7, offhand, I don't know what that is, but I do know what 21 divided by 7 is and what 7 divided by 7 is. I can see multiples of 7 within 217. So I'm going to rewrite 217 as 210 plus 7. Then mentally, 210 divided by 7 is 30. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 30 plus 1 is 31. I took 210 divided by 7 and got 30. I took 7 divided by 7 and got 1, added those numbers together. If 210 divided by 7 is tricky for you, you could think about that as a fraction. This is 21 times 10 over 7. I know 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 10 is 30. Why does this work? I took 217 divided by 7, turned it into a fraction, decomposed the numerator, and then wrote this as 210 over 7 plus 7 over 7, which is 30, plus 1, which is 31. Our next strategy is very similar, but instead of taking a sum, we're going to take a difference. So when I look at 237 divided by 3, I don't know what the answer is, and if I try to break 237 into a sum, 200 plus 37, neither are divisible by 3. 230 plus 7, no, that doesn't work either. So instead, I'm going to move to differences. I know the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 24 is promising. I'm going to make this 240 minus 3. 240 divided by 3 is 80. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 80 minus 1 is 79. What did I do? I took 240 divided by 3 and got 80. I took 3 divided by 3 and got 1. Then I took the difference and got 79. If 240 divided by 3 was tricky for you, we know that 240 is just 24 times 10. So if I know 24 divided by 3, which is 8, I have 8 times 10, which is 80. Why does this work? I took 237 divided by 3. I can turn it into a fraction. I can rewrite the numerator as 240 minus 3. That's equivalent. And then I can separate this out and get our answer of 80 minus 1 is 79.